Our protagonist today is a student who has lost important data from their USB drive. The panic is palpable, the stress is sky high. But what if I told you there's a way to recover that lost data? Yes, you heard it right. There's a way to bring back those precious files you thought were gone forever. The first step in this recovery process is to stop using the USB drive immediately. This might seem counterintuitive, but trust me, it's crucial. The more you use the drive after the data loss, the harder it becomes to recover the files. So, put the USB drive down and step away. Next, you need to download a data recovery software. There are several options available online, both free and paid. Do your research, read reviews, and choose the one that suits your needs best. Remember, the right software can make all the difference in recovering your lost data. Once the software is downloaded and installed, it's time to let it do its magic. Connect your USB drive to your computer, open the software, and scan your drive. This process can take some time, so be patient. The software is looking for any recoverable files on your drive. After the scan is complete, the software will show you a list of files that it found. Look through this list and select the files you want to recover. Then, click on the Recover button and voila! Your lost files are back from the digital abyss. But remember, data recovery isn't always a surefire thing. Sometimes, the files are too corrupted or damaged to be recovered. In such cases, it's best to consult a professional. But for most minor data losses, this process should work just fine. So the next time you lose data from your USB drive, don't panic. Just follow these steps and breathe easy. Your data might not be as lost as you think.